Good afternoon to all of you.
Very good afternoon, sir.
How are you, students?
I am fine.
You all are fine?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
So with your permission, can you start the class?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Please take your seat. Have your seat. Have your seat. Okay. Before we start, as you all know, before you start, we have a process to have a feedback. Okay, no? To have a quick recap. Yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
can anyone tell me what did we learn in the last class? What did we learn in the last class? Can anyone tell me? Yes, please. Okay, very good. Was it present clause was the topic? No? Do you all agree?
Yes, sir.
Present clause was the topic. Can anyone tell me what are the topics that we covered so far? What are the topics we covered so far? Till now, what are the topics we covered so far? Please, anyone can tell me. Raise your hand if you know the answer. What are the topics we covered? Yes. Come on, tell me. What are the topics? Yes, stand and say. Sentence, parts of speech. Very good, excellent. And else, what else? What else? Sentence, parts of speech, and what else we learned? Yes, tell me now. Stand and say. So, apart from sentence and parts of speech, we also discussed about how to make sentences through dictation. No? Very good, excellent. So, let us have a quick recap, okay? Let us have a quick recap. Actually, can anyone tell me what do you mean by sentence? Raise your hand. If you have the answer, raise your hand. I want to see. Come on, raise your hand. Raise your hand. What do you mean by a sentence? Very good. Only two hands. No boys. Hey, boys, come on, raise your hand. What do you mean by sentence? Yes, please. What do you mean by sentence? Very good, excellent. Sentence is a group of words which makes a complex sense. Do you all agree with her? Yes, no? Yes, no? We are having a quick recap, okay? So, a sentence is a group of words which makes a complex sense. Who can give the example? Who can give an example? A sentence. Yes, please. Ram is walking. Is it a sentence? It gives a meaningful. It is completely meaningful.
Yes, sir.
Can you all try to give an example? Yes, please. Gita is singing. Very good, excellent.
Ram is writing.
Very good. Ram is writing. Yes. Ram is running. Very good, excellent. Ram is running. Ram is walking. Yes. Gita is singing. So you all agree, na? Like whatever sentence it has been told by you, it is completely meaningful. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
You completely understand from the sentence. Yes or no? So that is a sentence. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sentence means which should be meaningful. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So moving on, taking a step ahead. What are the different parts of sentence? Can I know? Yes. Why only you? Why not the boys? Yes. What are the different? There are two parts. Huh? There are two parts. Do you all agree with him? He said two. Do you all agree with him? Yes? Yes, no? Yes, no? Who can tell me now what are the name of the two parts? What are the name of the two parts? Yes? Raise your hand. All should raise. All should raise. Don't you know? Please tell.
Subject and predicate.
Thank you so much. Very good. Very good. Do you all agree with this answer, subject and predicate?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Excellent. So, sentence has got only how many parts?
Two parts.
Very good, excellent. Now can taking a step ahead now taking a step ahead. What are the different types of sentences? What are the different types of sentences? How many types of sentences are there? How many types? How many types of sentences are there? Tell me. Do you all agree? There are 4 types of sentences. Yes or no? Who can tell me the name of the first sentence? First type. You tell me the first one. Assertive or declarative? Correct, no? The first one is assertive and declarative. Who can tell me the second one? Very good, excellent. Do you agree with that? Do you all agree with that? Assertive, declarative, then comes the imperative. Who can tell me the third one? Who can tell me? Yes, you raise your hand. Interrogative. Fantastic. Interrogative is the third one. Now the last one. You can tell me now. Yes. No. She has raised her hand first. What is the fourth one? Fantastic. So do you all agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So we have got how many types of sentence? 4 types. Assertive declarative. Number 1 assertive declarative. Number 2 imperative. Number 3 interrogative. Number 4 fantastic. You all understand?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Can you take it? With your permission, can I take a step, one step ahead?
Yes, sir.
Then we will come directly jump to parts of speech. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is parts of speech? We all discussed. What is parts of speech? Just try to remember. Yes, please. Yes, please.
There are 8 parts
There are 8 parts
of
of speech. But before coming to 8 parts of speech, the main thing is that what do you mean by a parts of speech? What do you mean by parts of speech? That is most important. We know like there are 8 parts of speech. Yes or no? And 8 parts of speech is very much important. But what is it? What is parts of speech? Who can tell me? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Come on. What is parts of speech? You all know. Parts of speech होता क्या है? What is parts of speech? What is parts of speech? Who can tell me? Who will try to tell me? Now I have a surprise gift. Definitely, I will give you. I do have a surprise gift in my bag. Come on, tell me. What do you mean by parts of speech? How many types of parts of speech? We will definitely come on after this, but we will go to that. But what do you mean by parts of speech? Come on, tell me. What is parts of speech? What is parts of speech? Parts of speech. What is parts of speech? Who can tell me? Anyone? What is parts and what is speech? Speech is sentence. Listen it carefully. Speech is sentence. What is parts? What is parts? Parts is the. What is parts? Now is it clear? Is it clear? Different words combined together to make a meaningful sentence. Yes or no? The same thing. What we learned in sentence. Now it is clear. What is parts of speech? Different words combined together to make a meaningful sentence. Yes or no? That is a parts of speech. Yes or no? Parts of speech means the different words that are there inside a sentence is known as parts. That combine together to make a speech. Yes or no? Speech means sentence. Speech means. Is it clear now? Now moving on to the next step. How many parts of speech are there? How many parts of? Raise your hand if you have the answer. He has raised his hand first. 8. Do you all agree? 8 is the number. Who can tell me the first one? Yeah, fantastic. Now, are you sure? Can you define it? Can you tell me the definition? What is a noun? Can you give an example? No, come here. Now it is testing time. Noun. Yes, you write an example, please. Maximum student engagement. So, do you all agree? Huh? Do you all agree? He told like noun is a naming word. Do you all agree?
Yes, sir.
Who else can give it? No, thank you so much. Can you take it? Who else can give an example? Come and write whatever it comes to your mind, right? After Ram. Wow. Where does this person live? Where does this person live? Is this a person?
Animal.
He's an animal. He is our friend. Now, where does he live? Can we call him to? Can we invite him to his our house? He will eat us, huh? We will become his food. Very good, excellent. Take your seat. Who else can come and write an example? Come. Yes, today it's yours day. Got it. Who is she? Sita is a girl. Sita is your friend. So Sita, do you all agree like it's the right example? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Who else want to come? Thank you so much. Who else want to come? Yes, comment right. See, whatever we are discussing now, you all are coming and writing. Okay? Yes or no? For a better understanding. Yes or no? So, the whole thing is that noun is a naming word. Bachcho, noun is a. You all understand now? That could be the name of a. That would be the name of it. But that would be the name of it. Person, place, animal. Very good, very good. So who is this? Who is this fellow? Is he your friend? Can we invite him to our school? No, not. Why? He will do all of us in breakfast, huh? Okay, take your seat, take your seat. You want to write an example? Come. Write an example over here. Wow, fantastic. What is this? I am sure this must be the name of an animal, huh? No? Thing, okay. Is it clear? Is it right?
Yes.
So this is a thing now?
Yes, sir.
Do you all agree?
Yes, sir.
Can I with your permission, can I ask a question in this, at this moment?
Yes,
Can I ask a question? Can anyone make a sentence out of this word?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Sure?
Yes, sir.
What? Yes, tell me, using this word here. Can you comment right here in the whiteboard? Using this word only. Very good, excellent. See, wrote, we write in the pen. Yes, we write through pen. Yes or no? See, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, what did we learn from here, Bacho? Any word, if we come across any word, the logic is, if we come across any word, if we write it, and if we make a sentence out of that word, our thinking capacity, our analyzing capacity develops. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Our writing capacity, our writing skills develops. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Our learning, and when writing skills develops, our thinking skills also develops. Yes or no? So making sentence and dictation is an integral part of students' development. Do you want to develop? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So with your permission, can I move ahead?
Yes, sir.
So what is the second parts of speech now? We have completed now. What is the second parts of speech? Where is my duster? Thank you so much. What is the second part of speech? So you all are clear with the first part, huh? Now what is the second part, Bacho? Yes, tell me. Okay. So who can define this? Who can define this pronoun? Who can define this pronoun? Exactly. Do you all agree? Who can tell me once? Who can repeat once whatever she said? Who can repeat once? Raise your hand. Yes, better. Exactly, excellent. The word that replaces a noun. Can anyone give an example? Raise your hand in a perfect manner. Huh? Can anyone who can give an example? You want to try, or she will try? Tell me, who will try first? You or she? Okay. Ram is a good boy. Ram is studying at Sri Vivekananda Vidya Mandir. Okay, Ram is a good boy. The sentence is Ram is a good boy. Then the second sentence is Ram is good boy. Ram is studying at Sri Vivekananda Vidya Mandir. Okay. Now how you can use the pronoun? With your permission, can I write the sentence here? You will come and write the answer. Huh? Come here. As you said, Ram is a good boy. Ram is a good boy. Yes, that is what you said, na? Yes or no? Ram is a good boy. And you also said Ram is studying at Sri Vivekananda Vidya Mandir. I will write SVVM. Okay, I want Ram is STUDYING at SVVM. Okay? That we and you know. I and you know what is SVVM. So you write the answer now. You use the pronoun now. All of you please see how she is writing. She is using now. She is going to use a pronoun actually. Yeah? Can you all notice what she is trying to do? He is just trying to replace the noun. He is trying to replace the noun in the second sentence. Yes or no?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
राम को निकाल के second sentence से निकाल दिया और किसको इंसर्ट किया? He को इंसर्ट किया. तो he, she noun को जो replace करेगा उसको pronoun ही बोलेंगे. Clear? Understand ना?
Yes, sir.
You all understand ना? Very good. Thank you so much. You can take your seat. So do you all agree with her?
Yes, sir.
Can we move ahead?
Yes, sir.
So what is the third part of the speech? Can I rub it?
Yes, sir.
What is the third part of the speech? Is? Yes, tell me.
Verb.
Verb. So can I write here? Huh? Who can come and write? Who can tell me what is the definition of verb? Yes. Okay, please tell me. The word that describe. The word that describe. Very good, excellent. The word that describe mental action and physical action. Physical action is all about. Physical action is all about physical activity. Mental action is all about. Very good. Mental action, mental activity. Physical action, physical activity. Who can tell me examples? Who can tell me examples? Examples. Ram is walking. So I am pretty sure Ram is the verb here. Ram is the verb, na? Ram is the. He said. So what is the verb? Walking is the verb, na? Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
So who can come and write? Who can come and write? Come. Ram is walking. Ram is. You also try to find your examples. I will ask you. Ram, what is the verb here? You can underline the verb. You all agree with the verb?
Yes, sir.
Walking is a mental activity.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Walking. Very good. So you want to give an example. So first of all, walking is a mental activity, na? Walking is a mental activity. Thank you so much. You want to give an example? Come here. What is your example? Write it now. I am pretty sure Sita must be the verb. Sita is the verb, na? See, he said. Sita is. So which one is the verb? So writing is completely mental activity. Physical activity. Both physical and mental activity. Can you all understand? So can we move on to the next part of speech? Thank you so much. So next part of speech is? Very good. So can you all tell me what is the adverb? Who can tell me what is the adverb? Adverb describe the word that describes the verb is known as adverb. Who can give me an example? The word that describes the verb is known as adverb. Yes, you have raised your hand first. Ram is walking slowly. Walking is a verb, action word. Slowly is a verb. Slowly is a adverb. Yes or no? Because slowly is completely describing what? Walking. Slowly is completely describing the walking. Yes or no? So Ram is walking slowly. Okay. You want to tell an example? Ram is walking slowly. Wait. Sita is writing. Sita writing quickly. Sita is writing quickly. Fine. So what is the verb here? Bacho?
Slowly.
Again, what is the verb here?
Quickly.
Very good. Do you all understand? Clear, na? The word that describes the verb is known as adverb. Clear? Can we move ahead? What is the next part of speech is? What is the next part of adjective? ADJECTIVE. What is adjective? Who can tell me? What is adjective? Raise your hand. Yes, you tell me. Excellent. Do you all agree with her? Do you all agree with her? What is the adjective? Once again. The word that describes the noun is known as what? Adjective. My dear students, it is very much important. 99% students always get confused. 99% students always get confused while defining adverb and adjective. For the last time I am telling you, adverb always describes verb. Adjective always describes noun. So don't get confused. There is a major confusion, but you don't get confused, okay? So adjective always describe noun. Now it is example time. Example time. Raise your hand. Example time. Example time. Example time. Yes.
Ram is tall.
Very good. Ram is tall. Okay. So Ram is adjective, na? What is the adjective? Ram is adjective. No. Is must be the adjective then.
Ram is not.
Ram is noun. No, no. She said Ram is tall. So I was just uttering. I was just thinking. Might be Ram might be the adjective. So she said no. Then I asked her, is the adjective? Then is tall is the adjective? Let her answer na. She has given the example. She is standing silent. Tall is the adjective? Huh? Are you sure? 200%? Do you all agree with her? Tall is the adjective? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is your example?
Gita is short.
Gita is short. So Gita must be the adjective.
No, sir.
Is must be the adjective. Short. Do you all agree?
Yes, sir.
Do you all agree? What is your example?
Rahul very fair.
Rahul?
Rahul is very fair.
Rahul is very quiet. Rahul is very fat. Very good. Very good. So fat must be the adjective.
Yes.
And what is your example?
Sita is short.
Very good. Fantastic. Can we, with the interest of time, Bachcho, with the interest of time, can we just move on to the next parts of speech?
Yes, sir.
After adjective, it comes.
Preposition.
Who can tell me what is preposition? Who can tell me? Who can tell me? There are remaining 3 parts, na? There are remaining. We have remained with only 3 parts, na? 5 parts complete. We have completed with 5 parts. Now the sixth one is preposition. Okay? Who can tell me what is preposition?
A noun, another noun sentence.
The word that connects a noun with another noun or sentence is known as what? Preposition. Who can give an example? Example time. Example. Yes. Rahul go to Agra. Okay, done. Now tell me. Sita is going to school. Very good. Very good. Rahul is going to the park. Gita is going to Calcutta. So Ram is doing the very good, excellent. With your permission, can I give an example? The cat is sitting. The dog is sleeping. Okay, do you all understand? Moving on to the 7th one. What is the 7th one? Who can tell me? What is this? Who can tell me? Yes, tell me. Tell me. Ah.
One or more sentence is known as conjunction.
Do you all agree with her? The word that connects how many sentences? 2 or more sentences. Two or more sentences is known as conjunction. Example time. Example. Raise your hand. Just now we discussed in the last class. We have already discussed in the last class. What is conjunction? What are the examples of conjunction? Tell me. Come on. You regularly use that word. That is the 3-letter word. 3-letter word. Huh? He. Spelling. I am asking about conjunction. No. Daily use word. Tell me. Or you use that in a sentence? No. Tell me. Yes, that's it. Finally you got that. Who can use this word and in a sentence? Try to use it in a sentence. Make a sentence. Sita is also a good girl. Okay, Ram is a good girl. Yes, Sita is a very good. Can you all understand now?
Yes, sir.
Conjunction helps in connecting 2 sentences, 2 or more sentences. Okay? Yes, tell me. Very good, excellent. All of you are clear? Can we move ahead to the last part now? Huh? What is the last part now? Huh? Introduction. Who can tell me? The word. The word that express sudden feeling. Very good, excellent. The word that express sudden feeling. The sudden feeling could be happiness or sadness or surprise. Okay. Very good, excellent. So, can anyone give an example? Can anyone give an example now? It's very much important. Yes, tell me.
Yeah, I definitely. Yeah, I'm beauty image.
Yes, we have won the match. You should say like this. Yes, we have won the match. Oh no.
Yeah, I passed in the exam.
Very good. Yes, tell me. Shut up your mouth. Oh my God. But remember one thing. While using interjection, you should use a clear na? So far we have completed. We have. I can say. I believe like you all have understood the sentence, the topic one, which was sentence, its parts and types, and also we have covered parts of speech. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You all are very clear. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You all are that clear. तुम लोग इतना clear हो चुके हो. You all are that clear. If you see a sentence, you can identify, sir, this is a pronoun. You can identify. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is a noun. You can identify. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You can identify this is a conjunction. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, na?
Yes, sir.
Double yes?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Please have your seat. Thank you so much for your cooperation.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay, we will do one thing. We will move. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates on Swami Vivekananda ideologies and our Sri Vivekananda Vidya Mandir group of institutions.